Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Korean translator. So, let's jump right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we proceed. Imagine the seamless translation of Korean text into English using Bing Chat. It is as simple as typing, "Translate this in English" and hitting enter. Bing Chat works its magic, swiftly presenting you with an accurate English translation that reveals the essence of the Korean words. But our journey into language doesn't end there. If curiosity leads you to seek the Korean translation of an English phrase, the process remains equally smooth. Just as before, start with "Translate this in Korean," followed by English text. Watch as Bing Chat adeptly responds, generating the corresponding Korean translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are truly remarkable, it's essential to recognize that accuracy can vary, particularly in intricate contexts or nuanced language. Seeking a second opinion for crucial matters is always a smart approach. Thanks for joining us today. Now, you are equipped to explore the world of Korean with help of Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.